Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got a big parcel has plopped through the letterbox today. It is from Amazon. We do have the Amazon smile on it. So let's get in and have a look and see what we've got. Ooh, that was quite loud. Right, okay, so we have got 3 in here and a couple are quite large. I'm just going to do one for now and we'll have a look at the others another time. So this one is a nice long thin one, and again I've been using my Vipon coupons, VIPON. This one is from the store DCIDBEI. So I have used this store before. It looks as though actually this one has got DMC codes on, and most of the others that I've had haven't had DMC codes on. So ooh, maybe that's a step in the right direction. It's 25 by 115 centimetres, which is a biggie for me. So let's have a look and see what we got. Okay, so look at those colours. Wow, can you see why I was drawn to it? Lots of lovely bright colours. And we've got a basic tool kit with wax, pen, boat and 2 grip seal bags. Okay, 2 grip seal bags, right. Okay, sorry, it just always makes me laugh. I'm not quite sure what they think you're going to do with 2 bags. But anyway, let's get this one out of the packaging and have a look and see what we've got. So, very long and thin. They're great, these, for putting like in between a doorway or somewhere. Just a little space that if it's gonna start folding up on me. You've not put anything else before, just to brighten up the corner. Oh look, it's alive, it's alive. Okay, oh my goodness, look at this. We have ponies, and they're unicorns and rainbows. And we start off with a pony with a rainbow above, and a pony with a rainbow, well, a unicorn. I must stop calling them ponies, but they do look like ponies. And another rainbow, and then lots and lots of pretty flowers at the bottom. And it's 24 colours, all capital letters, which is excellent. And as I say, we have got the DMC codes on this. And yeah, look at these flowers. Wow, nice clear drill field. And the little unicorn. Oh yeah, they are unicorns. They have got little horns on the heads there, haven't they? This one's got a crown on it. But it's just the colours. I just thought, oh yeah, I know where I can put this one once it's done. And it will just be a little bit of fun doing a long thin one, because I haven't done one before. Actually, that one hasn't got... so maybe they're not unicorns. Maybe they are ponies. No, that's not a horn. Do you know, it's my eyesight. That's not a horn, is it? That's part of the shading on the cloud. So they are ponies, but they've got wings. Winged ponies. Okay. So 3 ponies, 3 rainbows. Oh, that's obviously the shouty one at the top. I was going to say something else about it. And it's got a bow, that one as well. So, yeah, I can imagine what hubby would say, that that's the girl, because it's got its mouth open talking. And the other 2 are the boys. Okay, sorry, I can't really show you the whole thing. I'll try and get a picture of it and put a picture in of it all. But yeah, I just thought that's stunning. And it was, as I say, I used a Vipon coupon, so it should have been £16.99, and I got it for £8.49. So I think that's pretty good. We're working out to per inch, quite a good price there. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to keep this one flat before I do it. Yeah, it's going to take a bit of doing, this one. But yeah, it's very, very pretty. And I say I love the colours for a child's bedroom, or for anybody that loves ponies or unicorns. I suppose you could put a unicorn's horn on it if you've got some spare drills. You can soon map out on your canvas where you could put a little spike on their heads there. Yeah, but it's so pretty. So we've got 2 white ones as well. Just love the flowers at the bottom. green, orange, yellow and pink with a little bit of blue in the middle. Could put some ABs there, couldn't you? Or some, actually, sparkle would be quite nice there as well. And put some gold ABs or gold crystals on the crown there. Oh, I think this is going to be blinged up quite a bit. Even the stars could be blinged up, couldn't they? Right, I will give it a quick measure, but I don't think I'm going to be able to measure the length. I'm suspecting it'll be about 105 centimetres rather than 115. And yeah, it's 20 centimetres across. So yeah, for the border we are losing that 5 centimetres. So no, it'll be 110 centimetres, won't it? But yeah, look at that. Go ponies, go. Oh, love that. Great fun. Really good fun. And clouds and all your blue. There's a little bit of colour blocking, but it's mainly a lot of colour changes. A lot of what's called confetti, whereby you don't get a lot of one colour all in a row. You get one colour and then another colour and then another colour. So you have to keep changing out your different colours that you're using. But yeah, okay, let's have a look at these drills and see what we've got. So it is just the canvas number and the drill number that is on the packets. 24 colours, that's not a lot, it's quite a... quite a limited colour palette, isn't it, with these? Yeah, but they are quite big bags. So let's have a look. Nice happy colours, these. Okay, so we have a lovely sunshiny yellow and a little Parma violet purple and a hot pink, yay! And then a bit paler pink and then a bit paler pink again. And like a rusty red and a rust colour and a bright yellow and a couple of shades of orange there. Lovely bright colours, a little bit of grey for shading for the ponies on the clouds and some blues for your background and another red there and a maroon and a couple of greens for your rainbow and like a very pale peach colour and another pink and another blue. And then, ooh, look at this peppermint cream green. So we have 4 bags of that one. So is that going to be, let me have a look, is that, I won't look at the bottom, I'll look at the top. So number 23 is A. So the clouds are actually going to be this like very pale minty greeny colour, and that is one of my favourite colours, peppermint cream green. It's just a very hint of green and white, just makes it that little bit brighter. And there is that on the ponies as well, so the ponies are going to be that colour. Oh, that's going to be interesting to see. And then we have another pink and blue, and then finally a lovely aqua blue at the end. Ooh, that is interesting. Green ponies. When I do this, is this going to make me hungry then? Because I've got peppermint cream green coloured ponies. Oh, well, I'll just be wanting to pick the clouds off and eat those, because that's what's on those as well. Very, very nice. Okay, let me just get these put away. Right, it's going to be quite fun to work on this one, isn't it, with it being so long. I suppose what I'll have to do is do a little bit at a time, probably start at one end and then roll it over, maybe get one of the little foam rollers and just roll over and keep doing it that way. If you do that with any of your canvases, once you've got your drills on, always make sure you roll it with the drills outside. If you try rolling with your drills on the inside, then you'll find that they'll start butting up together and start coming off, because there's not enough space for them to move and roll over. So always roll it that way around. Right, just give this one a quick roll up. So say goodbye ponies for now, Just we are going back away until we get kitted up to be done. Just finish off there, look, with that little pony. I might actually start at this end with the green and the yellow and work my way up that way. But it's handy having the key code at both ends, so you can work from your key code if that's how you work. And then when you get to the other end, then you've got a key code there as well. Okay, just a little bit of fun this one, just a quick video to show you one of my new canvases. And as I say, look at that, we're going to have green ponies. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed seeing this one with me. If you have, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. And if you've got any comments or questions, if you leave them in the comments down below, let me know, do you think these are ponies or do you think they're unicorns? Ponies with wings, peppermint cream, green wings. Okay. Well, if you want to come back and see what I get up to next and see how these ponies turn out, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. But that's it for now. So thanks for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.